Hi, welcome. This is another video by IIC, and today I have an interesting topic to discuss, which we can do from India, we can export, and this is about packaging product. So, my story is when I was in China, I saw that a lot of companies who are partners with Alibaba Group, where I was the program director for the EGTP program, I saw that they were just becoming not millionaires, but billionaires. So I was just trying to decode that how they have done it, and a lot of them were working professionals who just got into the business eventually. So the business is very simple today. As you know that e-commerce and the online businesses are growing very fast, and the products which we are buying, they all are wrapped by bubble wraps, or they are packaged well. Whether you get something from Amazon or Flipkart, one thing is common: the packaging materials are always required. Now hold on with me, because I know that you may be thinking that why I'm talking about this, because this is the business opportunity where you can make some serious profits without even holding any inventory. I will give you one strategy. Just follow this, continue with your work, whatever you're doing, but start this online business, because you're not buying anything, you're just doing a trade and you're making some serious profits. I'll give you the entire step-by-step method how you can do it. So stay with me till end of the video, because you're going to explore something interesting. What you are seeing right now is Amazon.com, and here you can see 9,000 sales has happened in the last month. 25,000, so 20,000 sales at $25. That means approximately $500,000 worth of sale has been done. Somebody has made great amount of profits in crores of rupees every single month by just selling these protective wraps, right? This is just one type of product. Same if you see, there are these cartons which are also getting sold. And these things in the industrial markets, whoever are into the exports or who are into B2B business, they are making some serious amount of profits by selling these products. What I want you to do, I don't want you to actually list these products in marketplaces also, but I'm just showing you the statistics and facts that see these products have got the sales. Even in Lazada, that is Singapore's website, or in Etsy.com, which is a global website, or you can see Rakuten, which is Japan's website. Even in these e-commerce stores, including Noon.com, which is Dubai's website, everywhere these packaging products have got a demand. What I want you to do is a very simple to do business. Why not start an e-commerce store? Like for example, this is my own e-commerce store. This is my lifetime of earning. And if you see the list of products that I have, I've got more than 8,000 products listed in my single e-commerce store. What if I give you an e-commerce store where the products are already listed? And also I'll give you the softwares and tools so that you can do digital marketing. And I will also give you the mentorship and guidance so that you can scale the sales. And apart from that, complementary, I'll give you the database of buyers and suppliers also, so you can simply do the export of these products in bulk quantity. So this is a plug and play e-commerce export business that I'm giving you. And this will help you to start a business immediately from your home. And all these products, what you're seeing, are all unbranded product. Like what you're seeing right now, thermocol sheets or thermocol boxes or packaging foams or the protective packages like the air bubble roll or whatever, everything that you see here, they have got demand. Nowadays, one more thing is there. Companies are looking for biodegradable alternatives. They're not looking for plastics. They're looking for something which can be recycled and all. So there is a scope where you can simply get started with packaging materials export business. Simply list all these different products into your e-commerce store. I'll give you the suppliers, don't worry. And the suppliers products can be directly be listed. So here in the products category, you can list. And one important thing is you can have your own domain name, own brand name. So how you can make the website? For example, I'm showing you these themes, right? So these are some ready-made themes. These are some of the stores. Like this is how you can actually make your own, and you can design your own theme, you can design your own products list, everything you can do, because the website will be with you only. I'll help you in buying the domain name, the domain that you want, and eventually we'll also recruit some employees who can work full time with you. And here, this is one of the business owner, and this is the contact. You can add more in that. Same way, people can directly pay you to your bank account, and you can do shipping to the global market using this. And I've also integrated some search engine optimization tools and everything in this. So what you're seeing is a ready-made plug and play solution. This is my 30 days of statistics. This is my lifetime of statistics. Now, this is how I have built my e-commerce store. This is proven business model. Now I'll be guiding you through the mentorship session, that how you can get the mentorship from me, what you are going to get so that you can build this business immediately, effectively. So this is my program. This is called Certified E-commerce Professional. This is an all-in-one program. That means by doing this program, you don't have to do anything else. So what you see here is the recorded content plus live classes plus ebooks, white papers, case studies, and different formats of contents are there. And you are also getting certifications. You're going to learn about digital marketing, store builder, everything practically from me. and my team will be there to assist you. It's fully practical online program on Zoom sessions or in live classes. We do these sessions, and this is with lifetime of access, lifetime of update, lifetime of support from many mentors and experts at IIC. So even if you're a working professional, business owner, student, I want you to start this journey with us. We have been in news and we have been working successfully. We have already been running quite well. Since 2015, we have been running this institute, and all this contents that you are seeing will be there with you for lifetime. And with this access, update, and support, you will be able to make highly successful e-commerce business. This is my own information where I worked with some of the top e-commerce entrepreneurs and experts and government bodies with companies like Amazon and Alibaba. So all these things, what you're seeing is to tell you that yes, there is a credibility. You can learn because the institution is fully accredited and affiliated with the Government of India's Ministry of Education, with Amazon, with Alibaba, and all top corporates and government departments. As I told that I previously worked with Alibaba Group as the global director for EGTP program and for Amazon ATS as global partner. So all these things what you're seeing here, this is all credible information. You can simply check out the details in about IIC detail for your reference. But what I want you to do is get into this business opportunity today, because I'm giving everything as a plug and play model: the store builder, the mentorship, the database of buyers and suppliers, and also guiding you with digital marketing and giving you softwares and tools, so that it's basically an all-in-one program. With the AI digital marketing tools, you can simply run ads and start generating sales. So to make profits, this is what we are doing in e-commerce, right? And this can give you the financial freedom that you always wanted. So these products are having very big demand, and once you have some 50, 60 customers also, within like few months, you can start making some good amount of lakhs of profit, I would say, because protective tools, protective gears are always required for packaging. And these packaging material will be always required by e-commerce companies. Even if you have 20, 30 companies who are into e-commerce and you can just tie up with them, you'll keep getting regular profits from them, because every day they'll keep buying from you. So this is the plug and play business opportunity, and I'll set up the business for you. I'm just asking you that you can get started with the mentorship, the plug and play store, or the e-commerce export franchise of IIC. So this is about the amount of money which we are charging for the whole business program. In the whole business program, everything what you're seeing right now, everything is included. That means I'll be guiding you how to find suppliers and buyers for all these products. But in this case, since we are talking about one single business, I'll be giving you a laser focused single product business, that is the packaging materials products that you are seeing here right now, and make it as a profitable venture. Everything is included, the store builder and the mentorship as part of this package. You can see very nice information. Sustainable packaging startup Bamboo raised about $7 million in funding, led by Bloom's Venture. Sustainable packaging startup, again, it's like 60 crores. Okay, it's Indian rupees. German startup Vetron secured $12 million. Fibmold that secured $10 million. So there's an increasing consumer appetite for sustainable packaging. As I told you, right, biodegradable packaging has got better demand than plastic. So same way, Matrix Partner has invested about $3 million for this company. So there are plenty of opportunities for getting into a product which is sustainable packaging product, ESG enabled product. That means environment friendly, sustainable product, because all government policies are coming to support sustainability in the world. And we want to avoid plastic as much as possible. And plastic is the biggest carrier for packaging, and this is where we can replace them with something biodegradable, and you will have a huge market opportunity. Understood? So don't miss out this opportunity. Start your e-commerce startup with me, with IIC, and let's make a $1 million brand out of this. So whether you are a working professional, you should get out this 9 to 6 job and start your own venture and become the successful e-commerce entrepreneur with me. Now, no more discussion. I want you to take the action and have a call with us and my team and join and become an entrepreneur today.